Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Vimeo OTT for creator style content strategy, beginner guide step by step clearly. Visit the Vimeo OTT website. Locate the sign up button on the home page. Click the sign up button to start the registration process. Choose a suitable plan that aligns with your needs. Select the Get Started button under your preferred plan. Fill in the required information, including your email address and password. Agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Vimeo. Open the email and click on the verification link. Return to the Vimeo OTT platform after log in with your email address and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and available features. Import or upload your content to the platform. Organize your videos into collections for easy navigation. Set up your channel branding by adding graphics and descriptions. Customize your subscription options according to your content strategy. Review the monetization settings for your channel. Decide whether you want to offer rentals, subscriptions, or both. Test your setup by previewing how your channel will appear to viewers. Once satisfied, launch your channel to the public. Monitor viewer engagement and adjust your strategy as needed. Utilize Vimeo's analytics tools to gain insights into your audience. Refine your content strategy based on performance metrics. Explore additional features to enhance your channel as you grow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.